This is a Ln52a650 Samsung. As soon as you plug it in, you hear that clicking. Let's find out what's causing it. As you can see, I've already zoomed in on what the problem was. There's 3 capacitors here, 1000 microfarad, that are bad. You got your power board, your digital board. I'm not sure what the board is on either side, but we're concerned about what makes the clicking noise. So you got 3 capacitors here. You might as well change all 4. They're all the same. 1000 microfarad. This is a 25 volt, and this is a 10 volt. You might as well go ahead and change it and put 35 volts on all 4 of those, and that should take care of your problem. Now the TV's on. One single click. TV's fixed. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Leave me a comment if it fixed your video, your TV. I'll see you next time.